Why plus be-verb plus subject plus verb-ing is used to ask the reason of something or the purpose for someone's present or future actions or intentions. Examples: why am I doing your laundry? Why am I meeting you tonight? Why are you dismissing your employees? Why is it barking loudly at night? Why is he wearing a long-sleeved shirt when it's very hot? Why is she wearing heavy makeup to school? Why are we skipping Mr. Simpson's class? Why are they moving from the city to the countryside? Why is the president cursing in public? Why is the representative acting rudely to the workers?